Good morning, Paris. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, I'd like it to be good night when this little vlog of mine reaches you. I am gonna flip the camera just now and show you I am in Pricesmart, and I'm in nowhere here to do a big shopping or to shop. I'm here for one specific item, which will be linked to the Jamaican cooking journey. I'll be showing you little bits and pieces of what is going on right here, right now, because it's mountain and it is so packed that I could hardly find a trolley on the outside. So as I go along, I'm going to be flipping the camera. I won't be showing you what I'll be getting until I reach home. I'll share it with you in the end of this little vlog. So I hope you will kick back, you will pack up your foot, and you'll watch, and you'll leave for me in the comments section your tech and everything that I share with you today. See you in the next clip. So I am in these aisles right here. Right here we have lots of kitchen thing in pan it. So we have lots and lots of kitchen stuff inside here. We have good brands too, like Tramontina and all of them stuff in there. So this is the aisles that I'm at right now. See some hanger something over there. So like that. Oh, can I tell you, it is so, I'm trying to keep the camera out of people's face, it is so packed, Barry. It is so packed, and I think that's how it's gonna be from now till the end of the year. So I'll catch you in another clip. So Paris, I am more at the quieter side of the store. I am just taking a little look through. As I told you, I'm here for just one item only. One and just maybe 1 hour especially. And it will be connected to also the Jamaican Debbie strain and to the Jamaican cooking journey. I wanted a bigger one, but they don't have that bigger one that I'm looking for. So I'm just nosing through as I go along. Just nosing through as I go along. Okay, Paris? Over there, they are sampling. I don't know, maybe rotisserie chicken or something. Raisins, ocean spray raisins, for people who want to have different types of fruit cake. You don't want the regular raisin and stuff. Here we have apricots. I want to try. They're so expensive though. apricots. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Trying to see if I could find some more bulk raisins, but it's not here. Not working out at all. That's pretty much how the lines are looking ahead of me now, Barry. That is pretty much, and I'm gonna be going in this one here. This is pretty much how the lines are looking over. So I'll have a good wait. So I'll see you back at home. This is what is before me at this point. So I'll catch you back at home. So Paris, I have been back home like from forever. My light just came back. It went from 8 o'clock this morning and it did not come back until 5:30. So all day I was out of light, water, internet. I don't know the water store, but I'm working on the water, you'll see. So this was what I went to get. Me not gonna keep it a secret no longer. I went to get here a pressure cooker because I wanted to do a video for the Jamaican cooking journey. People were asking for the longest while. People were not comfortable using a pressure cooker, and I think this is the ideal time for who don't have one, who has one, or who have one are scared to use it. Okay, so I want me to see it for this long time, but I wanted a bigger one because from time to time sometimes I've got to do some local catering, but I just couldn't get a bigger one at this point. So the brand is a Tramontina. I've never used it before, and it looks similar to the one I had. Me I go show you probably on the Jamaican cooking journey. I hope you're subscribed. Stay subscribed to it. If you have not yet subscribed, you need to subscribe to the Jamaican cooking journey, please and thanks. And I'm gonna show you over there when you get a new pressure cooker, how you get adjusted to it, and also I'm gonna show you how to use it. So this concludes this little vlog for you. It's not a long one, but it's just that what I put together for you. So I hope you had a blessed day, a better day than me. I am so bummed. I am so tired. My beat out from coming out on the outside, sitting down, you know. And I had a little plumbing work going on right here. So I was just out there with my plumber and just killing some time because there was no light inside here and all of that. So I hope you had a blessed day. And it's still not over as yet. So I hope you will make the best of it. And also, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. Thanks for the love. Thanks for this continued support. Right on here, the Jamaican Debbie Debs train. Bless.